Let's discuss kidney patterns, kidney yang deficiency. Concept, this is a type of deficient cold pattern and is due to kidney yang deficiency leading to abnormality in warming and qi transformation. Clinical manifestation, bright white or dark complexion, cold soreness of the lumbar region and knee joints, cold body and cold limbs, especially worse the lower limbs, mental fatigue, lassitude, impotence, premature ejaculation, and coldness in the perineal region in males. Cold uterus leading to infertility, low libido, diarrhea at dawn, maybe clear frequent urination, nocturia, possibly scanty urine, edema of the whole body, pale tongue with white coating, and a deep, thready, and weak pulse. Key symptoms, hypofunctional sexual activity and reproduction, failing to control discharge of stools and urine, and symptoms of a deficient cold pattern, such as cold soreness of the lumbar region and knees, cold body, and limbs. So here, the analysis of kidney yang deficiency. If there is hypofunctional reproduction, the male, there is impotence, premature ejaculation, and coldness in the perineal region. For the female, cold uterus leading to infertility. If there's inability to control stool and urine discharge, there's the bladder fails to govern fluid, resulting into profuse and frequent urination, nocturia. When when the large intestine fails to transmit waste, there is loose stool or diarrhea at dawn. Hypofunctional Qi transformation, there is scanty urine or edema. If there is yang deficiency causing relative yin excess, it fails to warm the back and knees, resulting to full soreness of the back and knees. If there is failure to warm the body, there is cold body and limbs, especially the lower limb. Yang deficiency engenders internal cold, resulting to bright white complexion. Exhaustion of kidney yang, when the yin fills up the skin and flesh, there's blackish complexion. Fails spirit, there's mental fatigue, lassitude. A pale tongue with a white coating and deep, ready, and weak pulse indicate kidney yang deficiency. For the summary of the kidney yang deficiency, the etiology, chronic illness, excessive sexual activity, exposure to cold after sex, retention of dampness from spleen deficiency, old age. Underlying accompanying pathology, kidney yin deficiency, spleen qi deficiency, retention of dampness. For the signs and symptoms, lower back ache, cold and weakness, sensation of cold in the lower back, feeling of cold, weak legs, bright white complexion, tiredness, lassitude, abundant clear urination, nocturia, apathy, edema of the legs, infertility in women, loose stools, depression, impotence, premature ejaculation, low sperm count, thin sperm, decreased libido. For the pulse, deep and weak. For the tongue, pale and wet. Treatment principles, supplement and warm kidney yang. For the acupuncture treatment, we use bladder 23, supplements kidney. Ren 4, supplements kidney yin, essence. Ren 6, fosters original qi, fortifies yang. Bladder 52, supplements kidney and essence. Stomach 36, fosters original qi. Do 4, supplements kidney yang. Kidney 3, supplements kidney yin, essence. Kidney 7, supplements kidney yang. Extra point, supplements kidney yang. Needle with supplementation and moxa. For severe water swellings, we use spleen 9 and Ren 9. To supplement spleen, large intestine, we use bladder 20, spleen 6, bladder 25, stomach 25. For heart and kidney deficiency, we use heart 7, bladder 15, pericardium 6. Analysis. This pattern is due to innate yang deficiency. Mingmen fire deficiency in old age, or chronic diseases impairing kidney yang, or excessive sexual activity gradually declining kidney yang. Relevant advice, the patients should consume a diet that is warm in both its temperature and its energetic dynamic. They should completely avoid foods and beverages that have a cold dynamic and that are cold in their temperature, especially in winter. In practice, this means avoiding fruit unless it is boiled or baked, salad, raw vegetables, and cold drinks. They should try to use more warming cooking methods when preparing food, such as oven baked and grilled dishes, which are more warming than steamed and cooked dishes. Hot spices such as chili are not necessarily salutary because they will cause the person to sweat and thereby lose heat. Tonifying blood condition, deficient condition is something that takes time and cannot be forced. The use of spices in general is helpful, though, as they can activate yang. Spices that warm and tonify kidney yang are cinnamon, cloves, fennel, basil, sage, fenugreek, horseradish, rosemary, and black pepper. Foods that specifically tonify kidney yang are oyster, smoked fish, salmon, tuna, lobster, trout, mussels, shrimps, lamb, venison, duck, roast pork, kidney, chestnut, walnut, pistachio, black sesame seed, quinoa, oats, buckwheat, millet, aduki beans, black beans, dew poi, lentils, raspberry, and cherry. Green tea is cooling, so black tea will be better. Otherwise, ginger tea, fennel tea, yogi tea, and jasmine tea will all be good. A person who is kidney yang deficient must ensure that they get enough exercise. Light exercise is beneficial when there is yang deficiency because it will activate yang and qi. They must, however, be careful that they do not train so intensely that they become fatigued or tired, because this will further drain their yang. It is a good idea to start the day with physical activities that can activate and circulate qi. Keeping warm is important, especially in the lumbar region and the area below the navel. Wearing a belly warmer or a woolen stomach scarf around the midriff and lumbar can be recommended. Protecting this area from drafts should be a priority. A ginger foot bath is also beneficial, as is drinking ginger tea. Patients who are kidney yang deficient should avoid activities that weaken the kidneys and yang in general. Besides the above advice, men should limit how much sex they have, including masturbation, as kidney yang deficient is expended upon ejaculation. Lifting heavy objects and standing weaken kidney yang and should be avoided as much as possible. Thank you for your attention.